Today we're going to take a look at creating a standard IDW for our Jam 7 part. If you take a look at this, we're going to have a front view, top view. We're going to have a right side view, that's a section view, and a pictorial isometric. And we're going to place these dimensions on here to identify how to create this part. To begin, from our home screen in Inventor, we're going to go to New in the ribbon bar, select Standard IDW, and click Create. First off, we're going to change our sheet size. We're going to come over to our model browser on the left-hand side, right-click on Sheet 1, and you're going to go down to Edit Sheet. And we're going to change this size from a D size sheet to a B size sheet. And click OK. Next, let's come up to our ribbon bar at the top, select the base. We're going to go to our Browse folder with the magnifying glass here. And in our H drive, we're going to scroll down and we're going to find our 7 Jam part and click Open. Before we click OK, we're going to change the scale of this. It came up for me as half scale. We're going to change it to 3/4, 3/4 scale. Once you've done that, select OK. Bring your cursor over to your front view of your part until you get that red dotted line, and then we're going to take and push this over to the left-hand side. Okay, make sure you're still staying above the title block here, please. Next, let's go get that top view that's projected. So we're going to select my top view or project it. Now mine automatically locked on here with a graphic. If yours does not, like here, I click projected and I don't have that locked on, come to your front view, click on your front view, and then it should project for you. So I want a front view, then I'm going to right click and create that top view. Then I'm going to come over here for my section view, and I'm going to come up here, section view is highlighted, and I'm going to click. I want to kind of come right through the middle of this rib here without going through a circle. So I'm going to click and stretch a line down. Okay, that looks pretty good. Just make sure that that's not coming through that circle. Then right click and continue. And now there's my section view I'm going to place on the right side. Now I'm going to go back, projected, select projected views, click your front view, and now I want that pictorial isometric over here in the side. Right click, create. Okay, now let's take and place those dimensions on here. That's done through our Annotate tab at the top. Change from Place Views to Annotate. I'm going to dimension. And I'm going to dimension my thickness, come in here on my side view. Thickness of that bottom. Thickness of that rib. Okay. We could also do the thickness of our overall part up here on our top view. And now before we start dimensioning our front view, we're going to come up to the top and place center marks. So click center marks right here. Click your 2 circles. Now we're going to place our dimensions from center to center. We're going to place our dimension on the side. Place the diameter for the other one and our holes here. Now if we just place a regular dimension, we only get to 1 inch. It doesn't give up the depth, so I'm going to press escape on that. And we're going to use our hole and thread option for things that are holes. Go back, click on that, and now I get to all the way through. Okay? Press escape. I can click on this dimension, put my cursor in the front, and I can add the note of 2 holes and click OK. And see how that adds that dimension in there? Wonderful. Alright, next we have our dimensions on here. The next thing we're going to do is come up to the File in the top left hand corner, the orange file, and we're going to go down and save this part. So we're going to save as. Make sure this is going to your H drive. File name still the same. Click Save. Now we have to prepare it as a PDF to turn into Google Classroom. So let's go to File, orange file in the top left hand corner. Go down to Export. We're going to export PDF. Still going to my H drive. File name is still fine. Click Save. Now remember, we just got done doing all that. Make sure you take the time to turn that PDF, not the IDW, into Google Classroom. There will be a spot for it in Google Classroom. Please make sure you turn it in. Nice job on your 7 Jam part. Congratulations.